proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. So this is the spring clamp. Now this is a PP plus fiberglass mixture body. So it's like this. So you can see. So this is the miniature of this one. This is size 4 inch, this is 6 inch, and this is 9 inch. So this is used for awkward and delicate objects, at the same time smaller objects. Rather than the other previous videos of the F-clamp, G-clamp, and C-clamp, they're more on the bigger ones. This one is for the smaller tasks. And I also use this for domestic tasks, so it's really handy and useful. While you can use this if, for example, you're going to put a cement, then you're gonna attach the tiles together at the edge of a, let's say, kitchen sink. So yeah, you could use this to attach from the table to the tile so that it won't fall off. And yes, it's sturdy. You're gonna ask me. Oh yeah, I used this when I was in the laundry. I think there was a time when a pipe almost fell, a small pipe or a thin pipe almost fell off. So I have to use this so it won't fall off, and it works. So that's all what I can do for today for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned from me. Please do look forward for our future videos as well. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.